Good evening, sir. Let me verify your face. Welcome, Kartik. How can I assist you?
Computer search Google.
What do you want to search?
Nandita Kohli YouTube.
Here are your results.
हेलो एवरीवन, नंदिता कोहली हेयर। आज मैं आप सभी के साथ अपनी एक पोएम दुनिया का दस्तूर शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। ये पोएम मैंने हमारी सोसाइटी में जो एक मेल फीमेल डिफरेंस होता है उस पे लिखी है, तो उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको
Do you want to search more?
No. Computer, tell me a joke.
Which joke do you need? Hindi joke or English joke?
English joke.
How many apples grow on a tree? All of them. Do you to hear one more?
No.
Okay, fine, but call me again if you want to hear jokes.
Computer, tell me a joke.
Which joke do you need? Hindi joke or English joke?
Hindi joke.
I can't speak Hindi properly, but I can print all Hindi jokes for you. Hope you like them. Good evening, sir.
Computer, open website youtube.com.
Here is youtube.com.
Computer, open website javatutorials.com.
Here is Java.
Computer, open website facebook.com.
Here is facebook.com.
Computer, open website twitter.com.
Here is twitter.com.
Computer, set alarm for
Tell me the time of alarm.
9:30 p.m.
Got it. Your alarm is set for 9:30 p.m.
Computer, go to music section.
Welcome to the music section. What type of music you want to listen?
Top 15.
Hindi or English?
Hindi.
Hey. Hi.
Next. Music. Contact.
Tell me phone number.
7037685847.
Please confirm the number, 703-768-5847.
Confirm.
Okay, tell me the name.
Karthik.
Please confirm the name, Kartik.
Confirm.
Okay, tell me the country.
India.
Please confirm the country India.
Confirm.
Contact added successfully as Kartik.
Computer, tell me the time.
Sir, the time is 22 hours 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Computer, who is Amitabh Bachchan?
According to results, Amitabh Bachchan, pronounced Amitabh Btn, born in Kualab Srivastava, October 11, 1942, is an Indian film actor, film producer, television host, occasional playback singer and former politician. He first gained popularity in the early 1970s for films such as Zanjeer, Diwar and Sholay, and was dubbed India's angry young man for his on-screen roles in Bollywood.
Computer, who is Narendra Modi?
According to results, Narendra Damodardas Modi, Gujarati pronunciation, Narendra DS Modi, listen, born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi.
Computer, play DJ Bravo on YouTube.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, champion, champion, champion.
Previous. Computer, connect call with Amit Shah.
Calling Amit Shah. Connected with Amit Shah by. Call ended.